So I got this question: how do I start investing in cryptocurrency and have more money? This question, it will be a very simple question to answer, and it will be a very easy question to answer. So it is simple that you can go out there, you can buy any coin, and from nowhere the coin can dive up, and then from $100 you can make $10 and above, even $30, even $50. And it can be a difficult question in that from you can go out there, take $100, buy a coin, and the coin drops, and you end up also with negative even $10, from your $100 to $10, so meaning that the coin dropped down. So that being said, what should you do? You have to consider educating yourself, knowing these coins, knowing the exchanges. Nowadays, guys, exchanges is a very, very serious issue. You have seen what happened with NFTX, so you have to do your own research. You have to know, like, this exchange I'm using, can I even move money out, like if I want, or they will be having a problem? So you look also reputation of an exchange before you start even buying this cryptocurrency in these exchanges. So for example, me personally, I use crypto.com and I use Coinbase. This video, it is not being promoted by crypto.com or Coinbase. Those are exchanges I use because I trust them and I have used them for a while. But also, when you use these exchanges too, I want to question you about scammers. Remember, this money you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you have worked hard for them, and because you have worked hard for them, they should be really, really preserved good. So for example, if you buy a coin in like certain coin, like for example, I went and bought Jasmine coin, and I bought it on Coinbase, and then basically what I should do, I should set my Coinbase to have two authentication factors, meaning they have to send me an email on my phone, or they have to ask me to touch my phone, like maybe to send me, like, to accept through the phone I use before I do transaction of money. Why is it important? It is important because you don't want somebody accessing your money without your knowledge. So you are the only one who can allow these assets to move from one point to another. Another thing is, how will you do if you bought, like example, a coin and the coin started going down, and you had done your research and you knew this coin is good. It is at, let me say you bought a coin when it was negative 88, and on Coinbase it will show that it is negative 88, and so, and then it start keep going to negative 90, 92, 93. What I will say on that: keep buying that coin, keep buying that coin. Do not waste, like, don't feel afraid, just keep buying, because as always I have said, if you are investing in this cryptocurrency, view them as a long-term thing. You are going to buy them and hold them for long time. So if you are buying these coins, put at least 3-4 years ahead of you. This does not mean that you will move this coin out after 3 years. It just means, like, you don't need this money we are investing, like, soon. So you are, you know, in your brain, I'm doing investment, and you just know this money I'm keeping here, I'm not just keeping, I'm investing it. But so I will get it when I get a specific price. For example, if you buy a coin when it is $1 and you want it to go to $5, and it happened in 5 years, within 5 years, that is good. And for example, if you buy a coin when it is $1 and it goes to $10 within 3 months or 4 months, it is also good. It just, like, it means, like, you know what, you got it at a good place, so you sell it and you benefit from it. So by the time this video is being produced, it is 2023, and we are almost to get into April. So I hope every person who watches my video understand also the time that the video was produced. That way you guys don't end up being confused when was the video produced. So this time, as 2023, I have my best coin that I keep buying, and that coin, guys, I'm telling, for those people who will have access to this video, that coin is Jasmine coin, Club Finance, and then now I had add gold niche protocol, and then I'm adding Mira protocol price. So all these coins I'm adding, they are down, and I'm giving them 5 years. By the time they go up, even if they go to 100%, I will be having a lot of money, because they are very low now. So I'm getting them at a very good price. So I encourage you guys to buy them if you can. If you have $10, if you have $20, if you have $30, instead of you going to McDonald's and buying that, or using DoorDash, just put money in the gas and go directly get this coin. Like the money you would have used to DoorDash, you just use you drive to wherever you got the food, and then you come back to eat your food. Don't use these things like DoorDash, Uber, unless it is necessary. But if it is necessary, drive there. Don't spend more money. Be economical. Mostly, if you anybody, the economy will always steal your money. So be careful as you do these things. Keep updated with your investment. Some people don't just invest and they leave it, and then they say, oh, I lost a lot of money, oh, or I got a lot of money. So at least check your investment every month, so that you know what is going on. It is your investment, they are your asset. Value them, protect them, check them every time. If something that is so valuable is checked on and it is protected. For example, the bank protects money with a gun. If a mother have a baby, the mother checks on the baby, because these things are so valuable. Like a baby is a very available thing in this world for any parent. If you have land and you are a farmer, you go check how crops are doing. The same thing, do it with the investment. You are going to be very successful. And always remember, keep learning. So that is what I have today, guys, and have a blessed day.